Hi friends, welcome to All About Accounting. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, accounting for partnership basic concepts. If you have not watched our previous video on this topic, please do watch it before you proceed with this one so that you will have a better grip over the topics taught today. I am giving the link of the video in the card above. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. Please do share this to your friends for whom this may be useful. Let us continue with the topic. At the end of the last video, we saw that there are few special aspects relating to partnership accounts. In this video, we are going to learn about the first special aspect, that is maintenance of partners' capital account. Each and every transaction that relates to the partners of the firm are recorded in the books of the firm through their capital accounts. So every transaction relating to partners will be recorded in the books of the firm through the partners capital account. The transactions relating to partners may include the amount of money brought in as capital, withdrawal of capital, share of profit, interest on capital, interest on drawings, partners salary, commission to partners, and etc. So let me repeat. The transaction that relates to partners may include the amount of money brought in as capital, withdrawal of capital, shares of profit, interest on capital, interest on drawings, partners salary, as well as commission to partners. This partners capital account can be maintained under two methods. One is fixed capital method and the other method is fluctuating capital method. Now let us learn about these two methods in detail. First, let us learn about fixed capital method. Under this fixed capital method, the partner's capital account remains unchanged unless additional capital is brought in by the partners or capital is withdrawn by the partners. Now, you will ask me, sir, in the beginning you told that all transaction that relates to a partner must be recorded in the capital account, and now you are telling that only when there is an addition or deduction in the capital account changes. Then, where will the rest of the transaction relating to partners be recorded? Good that you had this question. Let me answer your question. Under fixed capital method, transaction relating to partners other than partner bringing in capital and withdrawing capital like share of profit, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary and commission will be recorded in a separate account called as partners current account. Therefore, when we maintain our capital account under fixed capital method, we will be having two accounts. One is partners capital account and the other is partners current account. In this partners capital account, we will be recording only the addition and deduction in capital. And in this partners current account, we will be recording the rest of the transaction relating to partners. There are few special points relating to fixed capital method. Let me tell you that. Under fixed capital method, the partners capital account will be always showing credit balance, whereas the partners current account may have credit as well as debit balance. As a result, the partners capital account will always appear on the liability side of the balance sheet, but the partners current account will appear either on the asset side or liability side depending upon whether it has debit or credit balance. Now let me show you how partners capital account and partners current account would appear under fixed capital method. So this is the format of partners capital account and partners current account under fixed capital method. Let us go through this. Under partners capital account, we will be having the opening balance. As we already saw, the opening balance of partners capital account under fixed capital method will always be on the credit side. So we are writing here balance brought down. We will be recording only the addition to the capital and withdrawal of capital in the partners capital account. So additional capital will be recorded in the credit side. We are having bank. This is for the fresh capital introduced. And in the debit side we are having bank. This is for the permanent withdrawal of capital. So we are recording both addition as well as deduction in the partners capital account. As a result, we will be getting our closing balance. So this is balance carried down. Therefore, in partners capital account, we are having two items. One is fresh capital introduced and the second one is permanent withdrawal of capital. Now let us move on to the partners current account. As we saw, partners current account may have debit as well as credit balance. So whenever there is a credit opening balance, we will be writing balance brought down in the credit side, and whenever there is an opening debit balance, we will be writing it in the debit side. So here in this partners current account, we will be recording transactions like salary, commission, interest on capital, profit and loss appropriation, that is the share of profits. So this four items will be appearing on the credit side. And on the debit side, we will be having drawings, interest on drawings, and this profit and loss account is for share of loss. So in debit side, we will be having 3 items. We will be balancing this ledger and we may have the closing balance either on debit or credit side. Let us count the number of items in the partner's current account. So salary, let us give the number 1, commission number 2, interest on capital 3, profit and loss appropriation 4, and in debit side drawings 5, interest on drawings 6, and profit and loss account, that is share of loss 7. So in partner's capital account we are having 2 items, and in partner's current account we are having 7 items. This count is excluding the opening and closing balances. Now let us move on to the second method of maintaining partner's capital account, that is fluctuating capital method. Unlike the previous method where we had 2 accounts, fluctuating capital method does not have 2 accounts. It has only one account, that is the partner's capital account, which is maintained for each partner. All transactions relating to partners are recorded in this account itself. This in turn makes the balance in capital account to fluctuate from time to time. Since the balance fluctuates from time to time, we call it as fluctuating method. In our questions, when it is not specifically given as under which method the capital accounts is to be prepared, generally we prepare under fluctuating capital method only. Now let me show you how partner's capital account appears under fluctuating capital method. Under fluctuating capital method, partner's capital account will be having the following format. You will be having the opening balance either on debit side or credit side. Then in the credit side, you will be having bank, that is the fresh capital introduced. Then salary, you will be having commission, interest on capital, profit and loss appropriation, that is share of profit. In the debit side, you will be having permanent withdrawal of capital, drawings, interest on drawings, profit and loss, that is appropriation of loss. While balancing, you may get the balance either in the debit side or credit side. So if you get it in the debit side, it is credit closing balance. If you get it in the credit side, you will be having closing debit balance. So this partner's capital account under fluctuating capital method is a composite of the 2 accounts, that is partner's capital account and partner's current account under fixed capital method. So let us list the number of items in partner's capital account under fluctuating capital method. So fresh capital 1, salary 2, commission 3, interest on capital 4, profit and loss appropriation 5, permanent withdrawal 6, drawings 7, interest on drawings 8, profit and loss 9. So you're having totally 9 items. Now the one in the left side is the format of partner's capital account and current account prepared under fixed capital method, and this one, the one which is in the right side, is partner's capital account under fluctuating method. So here you can see in the first ledger you are having 2 items, and the second ledger you are having 7 items. So in total 2 plus 7 you are having 9 items. And now you can see here in the same ledger, that is partner's capital account, we are having 9 items. Therefore under fluctuating method we will be routing all the transactions relating to the partners through the same account, whereas in fixed capital method we will be having 2 separate accounts where one is exclusively for the capital additions as well as deductions, and the rest of the transactions will be routed through partner's current account. Since we have learned both the methods of maintaining capital account, now let me take you through the differences between these 2 methods. Under fixed capital method, we maintain 2 accounts, that is partner's capital account and partner's current account, whereas under fluctuating capital method, we have only one account, that is partner's capital account. So this is the first main difference. The second one is under fixed capital method, only additions and deductions in the capital forms part of the partner's capital account. That is, only the additions as well as the deduction forms part of the partner's capital account. Whereas under fluctuating capital method, all the transactions relating to partners forms part of the capital account only. The third one is, in fixed capital method, the capital account always have credit balance only. So here you can notice the partner's capital account will be always having credit opening balance. But under fluctuating capital method, the capital account may have debit as well as credit opening balance. These are the differences between fixed capital and fluctuating capital method. I hope that you understood the concept of fixed and fluctuating capital methods. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. If you have any accounting related doubts, you can send it to this email, queries2tutor@gmail.com. Please do follow our Instagram page. I have given the link of the same in the description below, and it will be also available in our about section. In the next video, we will be continuing with the same topic, accounting for partnership basic concepts. Let's make accounting simple.